Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to connect your Shopify store with AliExpress. So first of all, I am currently here in my Shopify website, and all you need to do is head over to here to add apps, or you can just search it up here. But let's just head down here. Alright, so as you can see, these are the apps that are available for your Shopify store. It could help you add some extensions or whatever, but I don't think we'll be able to find whatever we need right here. So we'll need to click over here to find more apps in the Shopify App Store, and it will open another tab where we will see. And as you can see, it has opened another tab, and down here we're just gonna search up AliExpress. And it will show us apps that will be able to help us in our Shopify, in connecting our Shopify store with AliExpress. So as you can see down here, we have here Deezers. This is AliExpress drop shipping, and it will and as far as I have known, Deezers has been one of the biggest apps that helps a lot of people when it comes to drop shipping from AliExpress. So all you need to do now is just click on this one, and it'll send you here, and then just click on install, and it will install this specific app into your Shopify website. Just click on your account to continue to your store. Alright, now what we need to do is just wait for a bit, and it should install these all over to our store after we click this one. And now it has sent us to the Deezers website, and what we need to do is to create an account for Deezers for it to function as it is meant to. Now let's click on create account for you. Let's make it easier, right? Alright, so now over here we're just gonna click on basic, free, like, you know, who doesn't want free? And now all we need to do now is to link it to AliExpress. And in this case, we need to create an AliExpress account. I have not created it. AliExpress account, so you can skip later on. And then you'll probably see this one, which is to grant authorization for Deezers and AliExpress, which connects both of these two features for your Shopify account. So click on authorize. Now we'll see here, we're now on Deezers, and what we can do is to import products. And one thing that you can do is to click on this one, the Chrome extension, which installs a Chrome extension to your Google Chrome, of course. So just click on add to Chrome, and this will help us in the long run. And then your entire experience with Chrome will just be very, very different. So let's want to pin this up here because we don't want that to be gone. You'll be lost, like, wait, what was that thing again? Oh no, it was here on this little puzzle piece here if you just forgot. Alright, so now that it's here, what this does is click on it, and now we're gonna be required to log into Deezers again. But don't worry, it won't take too long. Just click on login over here, and just log in your Deezers account, and as you can see, it has connected Deezers to your account. Alright, now let's head over to AliExpress because that's where the fun begins. Alright, now here we are on AliExpress, and Deezers is as well is turned on. And let's say we want to choose one of these things to import to our website. Let's click on this one here, glasses. Alright, now we're here on the listing of this product, and as you can see, we are shown this new feature over here, which is adding it to Deezers. And if we click on this one, as you can see, it will immediately import it to your Deezers extension. And if you click on Deezers, actually, you have different options that you can change from, as well as change the country or the currency that you're doing. And now let's head over back to our Deezers website. And as you can see here on the left side, you'll see your import list. which is what you have imported from that from the AliExpress website. And next, what you need to do is to click on push to Shopify. What it does now is it will be sent to your Shopify website. As you can see, it's now being pushed. And as you can see, it has successfully been pushed. Now let's head back to our Shopify website and let's check out our store, our products actually. And as you can see, the product from AliExpress has been sent to our Shopify website. That is how you connect Shopify with AliExpress and just drop ship products from AliExpress to your website. It's that easy. It's that simple. I hope you like this video. Like, comment, subscribe if this helped you. This was Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.